Looking for the best ETFs to buy on stash? Here are some solid picks to get your portfolio started. First up, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or VTI. It gives you broad exposure to the entire US stock market, big, mid, and small cap stocks all in one. Next, iShares Core US Aggregate Bond ETF, AGG, is great for adding stability. It holds a mix of US bonds to help balance out your risk. For growth, check out ARK Innovation ETF, ARK with an extra K. It focuses on disruptive tech companies like Tesla and Roku. It's more volatile but has big upside potential. If you want international exposure, Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets ETF VEA covers big companies outside the US, helping you diversify globally. And lastly, Schwab, US Dividend Equity ETF. It's perfect if you want steady income through dividends plus growth. All these ETFs are available on Stash and great for beginners and pros alike. If you want more investment tips, like and subscribe. Got a favorite ETF? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear.